SWG Maschinenbau is operating an electric arc furnace which produces a maximum of 50 tons of liquid steel per load. 100% sorted scrap in line with the requirements is used for melting. After completion of smelting, tapping is carried out. This is followed by temperature and alloying fine-tuning during the subsequent ladle furnace treatment. In the VD or VOD unit, dissolved gases are released from the smelted mass. After a purification rinse, the smelted mass is cast into blocks, which are optimally matching the weight and size of the subsequent forgings. The largest forging ingot has a weight of 76 tons and is produced from 2 heats. In order to fulfill the maximum demands in terms of purity and homogeneity, we are able to integrate an electroslag remelting process prior to the forging operation. After heating up to 1200 degrees Celsius in the forging furnace, the forming process takes place on the 60 meganewton press. Once the manipulator has grasped the forged end, the actual forging operation begins. In order to achieve an optimum forging ratio, a power generation forging is, in most cases, upsetted after the pre-forging operation. Further forging processes are based on the final product. In this movie, you can see the examples of a turbine shaft and a turbine wheel. 60 meganewton press capacity, suitable optimized forging tools, an experienced press team, and state-of-the-art computer programs secure the fulfillment of the utmost demands of the world market. All process data is gathered, evaluated, and constantly developed so that SWG Group will measure up to the increasing requirements at all times. For smaller forgings, up to maximum 20 tons ingot weight, we use our 27 meganewton press. Here, you can see the pre-forging and final forging operations from a compressor crankshaft and from a pinion. Heat treatment takes place in modern calibrated bogey hearth furnaces. Quenching will be done in temperature-controlled oil and water tanks with high circulation capacity. For highest concentricity requirements, up to maximum 8.5 meters component length, we can use a vertical heat treatment equipment. After heat treatment, the components are being further processed for the subsequent ultrasonic testing. The removal of the test rings is carried out in that process. From the test rings, for example, tensile and impact test pieces are machined and tested thereafter. In addition to these tests, structure and purity tests can be carried out in our company. Ultrasonic inspection can be performed manually or on modern automated ultrasonic test equipment. After preservation and marking, as well as final inspection and control, dispatch clearance is authorized and delivery to the customer takes place.